What is the purpose of vector embeddings in a large language model, LLM? A. Splitting text into manageable pieces of data. B. Grouping a set of characters to be treated as a single unit. C. Providing the ability to mathematically compare texts. D. Providing the count of every word in the input. Correct answer, C. C. Providing the ability to mathematically compare texts. A company wants to fine-tune a foundation model, FM, by using AWS services. The company needs to ensure that its data stays private, safe, and secure in the source AWS region where the data is stored. Which combination of steps will meet these requirements most cost-effectively? Choose 2. A. Host the model on premises by using AWS Outposts. B. Use the Amazon Bedrock API. C. Use AWS Private Link and a VPC. D. Host the Amazon Bedrock API on premises. E. Use Amazon CloudWatch logs and metrics. Correct answer, B and C. B. Use the Amazon Bedrock API. C. Use AWS Private Link and a VPC. A financial company uses AWS to host its generative AI models. The company must generate reports to show adherence to international regulations for handling sensitive customer data. Which AWS service meets these requirements? A. Amazon Macy. B. AWS Artifact. C. AWS Secrets Manager. D. AWS Config. Correct answer, B. B. AWS Artifact. A medical company wants to modernize its on-site information processing application. The company wants to use generative AI to respond to medical questions from patients. Which AWS service should the company use to ensure responsible AI for the application? A. Guardrails for Amazon Bedrock. B. Amazon Inspector. C. Amazon Rekognition. D. AWS Trusted Advisor. Correct answer, A. A. Guardrails for Amazon Bedrock. Which metric is used to evaluate the performance of foundation models, FMs, for text summarization tasks? A. F1 score. B. Bilingual Evaluation Understudy, BLEU, score. C. Accuracy. D. Mean Squared Error, MSE. Correct answer, B. B. Bilingual Evaluation Understudy, BLEU, score. What is the benefit of fine-tuning a foundation model, FM? A. Fine-tuning reduces the FM's size and complexity and enables slower inference. B. Fine-tuning uses specific training data to retrain the FM from scratch to adapt to a specific use case. C. Fine-tuning keeps the FM's knowledge up to date by pre-training the FM on more recent data. D. Fine-tuning improves the performance of the FM on a specific task by further training the FM on new labeled data. Correct answer, D. D. Fine-tuning improves the performance of the FM on a specific task by further training the FM on new labeled data. A company wants to improve its chatbot's responses to match the company's desired tone. The company has 100 examples of high-quality conversations between customer service agents and customers. The company wants to use this data to incorporate company tone into the chatbot's responses. Which solution meets these requirements? A. Use Amazon Personalize to generate responses. B. Create an Amazon SageMaker Hyperpod pre-training job. C. Host the model by using Amazon SageMaker. Use TensorRT for large language model, LLM, deployment. D. Create an Amazon Bedrock fine-tuning job. Correct answer, D. D. Create an Amazon Bedrock fine-tuning job. An e-commerce company is using a chatbot to automate the customer order submission process. The chatbot is powered by AI and is available to customers directly from the company's website 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Which option is an AI system input vulnerability that the company needs to resolve before the chatbot is made available? A. Data leakage. B. Prompt injection. C. Large language model, LLM, hallucinations. D. Concept drift. Correct answer, B. B. Prompt injection. A social media company wants to prevent users from posting discriminatory content on the company's application. The company wants to use Amazon Bedrock as part of the solution. How can the company use Amazon Bedrock to meet these requirements? A. Give users the ability to interact based on user preferences. B. Block interactions related to predefined topics. C. Restrict user conversations to predefined topics. D. Provide a variety of responses to select from for user engagement. Correct answer, B. B. Block interactions related to predefined topics. Which model type meets these requirements? A. Computer vision model. B. Large multimodal language model. C. Diffusion model. D. Text-to-speech model. Correct answer, B. B. Large multimodal language model.